Hi people. So every day I am explaining a topic. Today also I need to explain a topic. So today my goal is to show up. Every day I explain a topic. Today also I am going to explain a topic. But I didn't have clarity about that topic. So my primary goal is to show up and speak something and record the video. That's it. I'm talking and I am explaining about AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda, which is a serverless compute provided by the AWS. Why it is used? Yes, it is used for cost optimization. It is used for running the services, running the instances, running the policies, running a scheduled task for every day at certain time with limited resources. Without manual interruption, everything will be done scheduled every day. That's why Lambda is used. It is very essential to know it, and I know about this service, but I didn't learn about it. You got that? I heard about this service, but I didn't learn it. Why? I thought that it is tough, it is not essential. But today, I am saying to myself, it is essential. AWS Lambda is much more needed because it is used by the companies to cost optimize for cost optimization. Why it is used? For cost optimization, because we can run the tasks easily, we can complete the tasks easily by holding a service or by creating a service and running it, processing the information, and then we terminate. Apart that, AWS Lambda is a function which is a event driven function. It is scheduled through CloudWatch. So when an alarm triggers, the event triggers it to run. When a cloud alarm triggers the function, this process will be started and it will do its work and it will delete it automatically. This all handled by the AWS. It doesn't show up any CPU, it doesn't show up any RAM, it doesn't show up any memory, it doesn't show up any block storage. Even it do not store anything until if we configure AWS S3. If we need the state of that service, if we need the state of that application or the function, if we need the state of the Lambda function, the process it doing, we need to configure AWS S3. Then it stores the state in the AWS S3. It's a little bit complex, but learning and understanding about AWS Lambda, the one thing is we need to learn about coding like Python. Shell scripting is not available in this Lambda function. We need to go up with Python language and multiple different languages like Golang, Node.js, Java, JavaScript, and multiple other languages are there. So essentially, as a beginner, we can go up with Python. I'm not a friendly person with Python, so I will slowly learn how to debug functions. Then I will start writing functions. Then I will use Lambda function effectively. Yes, coming days a lot of things are going to be changed. Whatever happens, but we need to be clear about what are needed. That's it. So that's what I am doing. Today I understood something about AWS Lambda. Tomorrow I will do something. I will practice it and I will understand more better. The thing is, I am learning continuously and I am enhancing my levels, enhancing my skill every day. Yes, it takes time to prove myself. It takes time for everything. I given lot of time to I gave a lot of time to waste myself, I gave a lot of time to unnecessary things. That's why I'm like this. To grow up, I need to give little bit of time. That will be enough. It's not much further. I will see changes. I am experiencing my new self. This is my new version. As I am experiencing my new version, I will enhance this version and I will see the another version, updated version of myself. That's what I need and that's what I am going to be. Thank you for today. Hope the best.